Hello, my name is Ashley, and this is my final elective course. I go by Ashley, and I am from Maine. I have had to consider spirituality a little bit in my work. I was at a substance use clinic where a lot of the clients utilized AA, which has a God or religious base to it. Many of the people there prayed and had sort of a belief in God or something greater than them. So sometimes in group we would discuss that and have people use that as part of their strength. My thoughts on using spirituality in my future work, I think it's definitely very important. For me, I think it's important that you identify strengths within a client. I'm not sure if I would specifically bring up spirituality, but I would definitely be open to the client telling me how they feel spiritually or religiously, and then working from there with the client sort of being in the lead. Because I definitely think it's important part of a person's identity, and I believe very firmly in strength-based treatment. My personal experience with spirituality has sort of been evolving since I was a child. Up until around 12 or 15, my family identifies as Catholic, and I attended church with my family. As I've gotten older, my belief system has just sort of evolved and changed. I still definitely have a strong faith base, but some of it's more my own and my own personal now rather than in more of a structured setting. I'm really looking forward to this class. I'm interested to see, specifically with this interview coming up, how people utilize religion throughout their lives, what kind of strengths it builds in them, how it develops their morals, their identity. So I'm just really excited for this course. I look forward to meeting everyone. Thanks so much.